Welcome to Developer Salaries, Who Earns the Most? If you're a developer, aspiring to be one, or just curious about tech salaries, this video is for you. We'll uncover the truth behind developer pay, highlighting the highest paying roles and key factors that influence earning potential. The developer job market is dynamic and highly competitive. Salaries vary significantly based on numerous factors. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their earning potential or simply navigate the complex landscape of tech compensation. We'll break down the roles commanding top dollar and the critical aspects that shape your paycheck. Let's dive into the roles that consistently top the salary charts. These positions often require specialized skills, extensive experience, and a deep understanding of cutting-edge technologies. AI and machine learning engineers are at the forefront of innovation. Their expertise in developing intelligent systems, from natural language processing to predictive analytics, commands premium salaries due to the transformative impact of AI across industries. Data scientists are crucial for extracting insights from vast datasets. Their ability to analyze complex information, build predictive models, and guide strategic decisions makes them highly sought after and well compensated. DevOps engineers bridge the gap between development and operations. Their skills in streamlining software deployment, automation, and infrastructure management are vital for efficient, scalable tech operations, leading to high demand and competitive salaries. Beyond the role itself, several other factors play a significant part in determining a developer's salary. Let's explore these critical elements. Your experience level and geographical location are major determinants of your salary. Seniority brings higher pay, and working in major tech hubs often means a significantly larger paycheck, reflecting the higher cost of living and intense competition for talent. The size and type of company also influence salaries. Large tech giants often offer higher compensation packages, while startups might offer lower base salaries, but potentially more equity and growth opportunities. In the fast-evolving tech landscape, certain specialized skills and technologies are in exceptionally high demand, driving up the salaries of developers who possess them. Proficiency in cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform is incredibly valuable. As more companies migrate to the cloud, developers with these skills are essential for building, deploying, and managing scalable applications. Certain programming languages, particularly Rust and Go, are known for their performance and efficiency, making them highly sought after in specialized fields. Python, especially for machine learning applications, also commands a premium. With increasing cyber threats, developers with cybersecurity expertise are invaluable. Their ability to build secure systems and protect sensitive data is critical, leading to high compensation for these specialized roles. While practical experience is paramount, formal education and professional certifications can also significantly boost a developer's earning potential and career trajectory. An advanced degree, such as a master's or PhD, particularly in fields like AI or data science, can lead to higher starting salaries and access to more specialized, higher-paying roles. Professional certifications from industry leaders like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud can validate your skills and make you more competitive. These certifications often lead to increased earning potential and demonstrate a commitment to continuous learning. Understanding your market value is key to negotiating a better salary. Research average salaries for your role, experience, and location. Highlight your unique skills, achievements, and how you can bring value to the company. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. In conclusion, developer salaries are influenced by a complex interplay of role, experience, location, company type, and specialized skills. By focusing on in-demand technologies, continuous learning, and effective salary negotiation, you can significantly boost your earning potential and achieve your career goals in the exciting world of software development.